If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. With this popular quote from Warren Buffett, we will begin the new series of Investment Academy on personal finance. In this series, we will be discussing the basics of personal finance and budgeting. This series will help you get a grasp on financial planning and can help you make better decisions on the management of your finances. First things first, let's understand what personal finance is and why is it important. In simplest terms, personal finance is all about managing your money. It can include savings, investments, taxes, budgeting, mortgages, insurance, banking, or whatever you do with your money and what you should be doing with your money. If you have some financial goals that you wish to achieve or lead a life without financial constraints, you need to plan for them and work on your personal finances. Let us understand this with the help of a simple example. Imagine your finances as a bucket of water. The goal? To keep this bucket full and prevent it from running dry. Every drop that falls into this bucket represents your income. It's the money you earn from your job, your side hustles, or investments you made. But life is thirsty work, and expenses are like holes in our bucket. Money flows out for necessities like food, rent, and utilities. Here's where saving comes into play. By plugging some of these holes, we ensure that not all our hard-earned water spills out and savings can be increased. Now that you have water in your bucket, you need to protect it from slow evaporation, which is inflation. Just as the sun's warmth can reduce the water level over time without you using it, inflation decreases the value of your money, making what you could buy for a certain amount today cost more in the future. You can simply do this by shifting the water in magical beakers, which are nothing but investment instruments. Putting water in these beakers is nothing but an investment. This will not only help you against inflation, but will also increase your savings over time. You can put the water saved in multiple beakers of different types to create diversification. This should be done according to your risk appetite and financial objective. With your savings securely tucked away in these magical beakers, you're not just fighting inflation, you're setting the stage for wealth creation. But personal finance doesn't stop there. It's an ecosystem comprising various elements that work in harmony to secure your financial well-being. At the heart of personal finance lies the art of budgeting. It's about understanding the flow of your income and expenses. Much like a gardener who knows just how much water each plant needs, a budget helps you allocate resources wisely, ensuring your financial garden thrives. By tracking your spending, setting limits, and sticking to them, you create a financial discipline that's similar to nurturing a garden. Regular care ensures it blossoms, allowing it for growth and occasional indulgence without tipping the scales. Saving is the reservoir that feeds your financial ecosystem. It's not just about putting money aside, it's about building a buffer for the unexpected, a foundation for future investments, and a peace of mind that's priceless. Embrace savings habits that resonate with your lifestyle. Whether it's setting aside a fixed percentage of your income, rounding up expenses and saving the change, or committing windfalls to your saving pool, every little action contributes to a larger outcome. Personal finance and financial planning are about control. It's about making choices today that will keep your bucket full, rain or shine, for all your days to come. Join us as we dive deeper into each pillar, ensuring your financial bucket is well managed and your money towards personal economic satisfaction is a success. Stay tuned for the next episodes that can help you reduce your financial burdens in the long run.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.